G'day, I'm Barry. I just wanted to share with you how I changed my backyard to a place now where my family, all my friends, they want to come and hang out. My dream was centered around a Kamado grill. Now, every time I found the perfect one, it was the price. I balked. I mean, you know, the special deal, the convenience of having it, the speedy delivery. Well, you pay for all that, and that's a premium price. You're going to pay for that. And I didn't want to buy air. But then I found Cosy Deals. Now, Cosy Deals, they promise they don't sacrifice the quality for a price. They don't do that. And I thought, well, how? And they'll deliver it straight from the manufacturer, straight to you. There's no middlemen. Made sense to me. So I thought, yeah, I'll take a punt. And I did. Well, I got toey. I mean, you do. 2 months seems like ages for it to come. But when it arrives, when that grill turned up, I was so impressed. The old adage that good things come to those of us that wait. It's true. It's a brilliant product. Now, I've got to get going. I've got friends here, I've got family waiting for me. I've got to cook up some more magic. So wish me luck. Cheers. Right, I've got the barbecue, I've got the friends, the family all gathered. Now I need a pergola. Back to Cosy Deals. Oh, it's the postie.